Hey guys, welcome to TechTricks tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about print on demand in 2023. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. So in this step-by-step video, we will walk you through the process of using print on demand services to create and sell your own custom merchandise. Whether you're an artist, entrepreneur, or simply looking to explore a new creative outlet, print on demand is a fantastic option. Starting off in choosing a print on demand platform. So, the first step is to choose a reliable print on demand platform. So, there are several options available. So, as we can see in here, we can see Printful, Printify, and Teespring. So look for factors like product selection, quality, pricing, and integration with your preferred e-commerce platform. So for this one, I think we're going to be choosing Printify so that we could walk you through on how to use print on demand. So first up is setting up your account. So once you've selected a platform, we'll create an account. Most platform offers a simple sign-up process. You'll just need to fill in your details and make sure to verify your email address. Let's try to check in here on the platform that we've chosen how to sign up for this. So just click on sign up button and enter the needed details. So you could try using your Gmail as well. So you'll just need to click onto that one and put in your Gmail as well as your password, and then you're ready to go. You can see on the screen there would be questions in there, and this will help you personalize your experience with the platform that you've chosen. So you'll just need to answer those. And then right after that, you'd be able to see an option on what would you like to do. Now, let's get started in creating your first product. So for this, we'll just need to choose Start Designing. Let's choose a product category. So there are options in here such as t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. Then select the specific product that you want to customize. The product that we're going to be choosing is this t-shirt. So I'll just need to click onto that and then scroll down. So you'll just need to choose first to the available print providers. So click on Start Designing, and from here, you'd be able to see the different things that you'd be able to do. So you can add a text in here, edit the font size, the color, as well as you can also add a pre-designed template. So you'll just need to choose over there. And then right after you've designed your t-shirt, you can save the product. So after saving your product, you'll be redirected to the order page. From there, you'd be able to see the details for the product. So also you'd be able to see on that page the product listing details. So you can update that one so that the customers or the viewers would be able to see the details regarding the listing that you've made. Also, you'd be able to see on the order page the prices and variants. So feel free to take a look onto that one so that you'd be able to see the different prices for that. With your product design ready, so it's time to set up your online store. So if you already have an e-commerce website, integrate the print-on-demand platform using the provided APIs. But if you don't, some print-on-demand services offer ready-to-use store templates. So you'll just need to head over to add a new store, and then we could try to check what are the stores that are available to choose from. So we can see in here that we have Etsy, Shopify, and Walmart for the sales channel to connect your store. But if you don't have one yet, you don't have to worry, since you can see in here that Printify is willing to help. So you'll just need to click onto that so that you'd be able to see the information on how to connect to a sales channel. Pricing. So in print on demand, decide on a competitive pricing strategy that covers production cost and leaves room for profit. Consider factors like shipping fees, platform fees, and your desired profit margin. So here in Printify, just need to go to the pricing part on the website, and then let's go over through the details regarding the pricing for this platform. So as you can see in here, there are 3 plans that is available for Printify, the platform that we've chosen. So there is a free, premium, and enterprise. So feel free to read onto all of the details in there so that you'd be able to see which one do you prefer. So this pricing differs from every other platforms. So try to check on other platforms as well. What are the prices that they offer and how do they differ to this platform that we've chosen? On demand, as orders starts pouring in, you'll need to manage them efficiently. So to do this, you'll just need to head back to the order section of the website. So most print-on-demand platforms handle order fulfillment, printing, and shipping, saving you the time and effort. So as your print-on-demand store gains traction and orders start rolling in, it is essential to manage them efficiently to ensure a smooth customer experience. So, fortunately, most print on demand platforms handle order fulfillment already, as well as the printing and shipping, making all of this process seamless for you. So, onto the platform that we've chosen to create an order. So, there are three parts of it. So, the first one is what we did earlier to confirm the product. Then, right after that, you'll need to complete the shipping information. So, you'll need to put in the recipients as well as the shipping address. Then, right after, just submit the order. So, in summary, they handle the order management, production and fulfillment, and the quality and control, as well as the shipping and tracking, and handling customers' inquiries, and also dealing with returns and refunds, and they keep the order status updated. Remember, positive customer experience are vital for building a strong brand reputation and fostering repeat business. So stay engaged with your customers and take care of any issues that may arise during the shipping process. Remember, the key steps in the print on demand journey are choosing a reliable platform, creating and designing your products, setting up your online store, pricing your items, and also marketing effectively and providing excellent customer service. With print on demand, you have the flexibility to experiment with different designs, test new products, and cater to niche markets. The platforms take care of the printing, fulfillment, and shipping, allowing you to focus on what you do best, which is the creating, marketing, and growing your brand. So, whether you're an artist looking to showcase your work, an entrepreneur exploring new revenue streams, or a creative individual with a passion for custom merchandise, Print on Demand offers you an exciting opportunity to turn your dreams into reality. So don't forget to keep refining your designs, engaging with your audience, and staying updated with the latest trends. Continuous improvement and customer satisfaction will be the case to your success on the print on demand world. Thank you very much for joining us today in this print on demand tutorial. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Best of luck, and until next time, happy printing.